Hello and welcome to another episode of Driveway Dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to jumpstart this Lexus, but the process should apply to any Toyota or Lexus Hybrid. First thing we're going to have to do is open the bonnet. To open the bonnet on this car, the bonnet release is actually on the driver's side of this right-hand drive car. Pop the bonnet. In the center of the bonnet there's going to be a release, if you can see that. Lift it upwards and it's on dampers or shock absorbers, and the bonnet will open and hold open. To get to the positive terminal, you want to release the relay and fuse box cover. I'm wearing gloves because you probably will get dirty. Let's place that out of the way. Here is the positive jump terminal, and you want to push it back, lift it up, and you can see it here. And for the negative, you're going to want to release the engine cover. It's just on little poppers. Place that somewhere safe. And this is where you put your negative lead, or anywhere that has bare metal that's earthed to the car. Okay, so once you have your jump box up here, or your jump leads, get the positive lead first, which is red in this case, and it's a positive symbol and red on this part here. The plate is only on the right hand side here, so when you're getting your crocodile clip, make sure that the side with the actual power is contacting this. Make sure it has a good grip. Take your negative lead, in this case it's the black lead with the negative symbol or minus symbol, earth it here, make sure it's got good connection. On this particular jump box you do have to turn it on, so on the front here, turn on, go back to the car, get your key, and in this case I'm just going to start it outside of the car. And you can see here it says ready, which means the car has started. And that's it. So we hope you found that video useful and it gets you out of a sticky situation or your car won't start. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Driveway Dudes.